Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by fixing geometry and unwrapping UVs so your paint lands predictably. Once done, set consistent textile density and apply transforms. This prevents blurry details later. Import high and low resolution meshes and prepare a 2K bake target. This gives you normal, ow, and curvature maps to drive smart masks. Then create a base material layer and block in large color and roughness zones. This first pass defines the vehicle for detail and keeps your later steps efficient. Now you build complexity by combining procedural generators with hand-painted detail. Start by creating masks from curvature and AO so edges and crevices get appropriate wear automatically. This speeds consistency across parts. Add layers for grime, edge wear, and decals, keeping each as adjustable layers so you can tweak opacity and blend modes. Paint manually for focal details using pressure-sensitive brushes, and use projection for stubborn seams. This gives control where smart masks fall short and keeps the result Finish by baking final maps and exporting the exact channels your renderer needs. Double-check normal orientation and curvature strength to avoid lighting surprises. Run a clay and lit turntable to verify silhouettes and material reads at different angles, then refine roughness and microdetail to cell scale. If you spot seams or floating pixels, reproject the problem area, increase UV padding, or use texture space clone and heal tools to blend. Make sure to save incremental versions so you can revert after any
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.